The use of a hidden camera is a criminal act which involves the unauthorized filming of another person's body or actions. Central and local governments run inspections using portable detectors, but hidden camera crimes are on the rise. Especially when the criminal is an insider, they can easily avoid one-time inspection. Alpha C 24/7 Hidden Camera Detection System. It is a fixed detection system that is installed on the ceiling and runs 24/7. Unlike existing detection systems that use lens and electromagnetic wave detection, Alpha C senses the heat released from hidden camera devices. As a result, it can detect all types of hidden cameras. Alpha C is highly accurate as it learns different environments, structures, and changes of heat source with its own algorithm. Alpha C can even detect on-off types along with other types of hidden camera intelligently installed by an insider, since it provides 24/7 detection. Equipped with a motion sensor, Alpha C runs detection only when no one is in the room to ensure privacy. We also post Hidden Camera Safe Zone certification mark on places where Alpha C has been installed to prevent crimes in advance. Alpha C keeps your customers safe from hidden camera crimes.